Yeah. Hello everyone. Faz this side here one more time. So I just want to give you a little bit brief about what is this digital marketing, and I want to give you few foundations and basics of Facebook and Instagram ads. So I just got a DM in my WhatsApp. Someone is asked me like you haven't told any basics regarding this Facebook ads, how it is going to work, what is the structure of this Facebook ads. So that's the thing I just try and I just actually trying to make this video. So due to like sorry, okay, let's continue. Yeah, man. First of all, in digital marketing, what I will prepare you for any type of businesses. So first of all, you need a website, website design, and second one is ads. In that ads, I only recommend Facebook and Instagram ads. Just giving you a brief, not it is like a very big lengthy class. I just want to close this one. Okay, in this Facebook and Instagram ads, so for Facebook and Instagram ads, there are multiple types of campaigns you can say, which mostly use. I just write down here: awareness ad campaign, WhatsApp ads, lead form ads, sales campaigns, and website ads. These are all the like a top number one priority, which usually use everyone. Okay, to run Facebook and Instagram ads, there are two types of ads we can run. One is like personal ads, other one is like business ads. So this is that personal ads. Personal ad means what? Facebook profile ads. We can run ads on your Facebook profile and Instagram profile also. And we can run ads on your Facebook pages and Instagram pages. This is considered as a business ads. And I don't recommend you to go with Facebook personal ads, because Facebook personal ads, it will ban account once you got some restriction, or when you got your ad account banned, right? You won't run ads completely for your lifetime in your Facebook. So that's the reason I'm not recommending this. Okay. And for that, for Facebook and Instagram ads, I usually recommend use business ads. Like if we are setting up our campaigns in Facebook and Instagram pages. For that, what we need requirements. Uh, you can see, for to run Facebook and Instagram ads and to set up one campaign, we need one business manager ID. So we need to create one business manager or business portfolio and one ad account, one Instagram page, and one business WhatsApp. Okay, we need to connect these all things in your business manager. Okay, you can see here all need to connect each other. Facebook profile, we need to submit a PAN card report running ads. That is like it is we are clearly giving, we are like a genuine guy who is ready to run ads. Okay, that's why we are submitting PAN card. And let's suppose you just got banned here because we are using your business manager, we are creating ads on our Facebook page for business purpose, right? Let's suppose you have run ads and your ad account is banned, then you can easily create one more business manager. Okay, you can easily create one more business manager and a new ad account and connect these Facebook and Instagram page and WhatsApp account to this second business manager. We can easily run ads. I repeat again. So when sometimes our ad account will ban while we are running ads, so we what we do here it is we do create one new business manager and new ad account, just connecting this Instagram page, business Facebook page and WhatsApp account here, and we are running ads. So that's why I recommend go with like a business manager ads. Don't use personal Facebook ads. Okay, yeah. And I just want to give you one more brief here. I forgot to actually give you. So in our campaigns, not only we are showing ads on Facebook and Instagram. Where is that man? Yeah, let me drag that one. Why I'm not able to scroll this one? Right here. Okay. We are not showing our ads or like you can say whatever it is, like business the interested leads or prospect, whatever say. We are not only running ads on Facebook and Instagram. We are running ads on third party apps like websites and everything, third party applications as well, like ShareChat. Have you ever used Android mobile, right? You will find out the ad in MX player called rewarded videos, something like that. So we are running ads on 350 applications as well by using meta technologies. Okay, I hope you got this point. Just want to give you idea about this point only. So that's the thing. And okay, so one more thing I want to add here: my structure of running ads, like one campaign, one ad set, one ad creative level. This is the normal structure or ad structure you can say. So my structure is one campaign, This is called like a campaign level. We call as CBO. And one ad set, this is called as ABO. I usually use 300 rupees budget, and I usually keep ABO itself. And my ad structure in ad creative level, I use 3 videos. Let me correct this one. Okay. So here you can see my structure is one ad campaign, one ad set, and in the ad set I will usually keep 300 rupees in Indian market and use 3 ad videos, which are like completely different videos. You can say uh, the content in the video it would be same, the approaching of the video it would be different. Like we need 3 videos, okay, then only you will get a good results. So this is my ad campaign structure, which is working very well as of now in 2025. It is almost like December, right? So that's why I'm heading to the 25. And one more thing for website ads, we WhatsApp ads, you can find out some videos on YouTube. And one more thing, form filling ads, everything you can get it from YouTube, but the website ad behind the strategy and psychology of landing page, I haven't tell anybody. So I'm just showing that one as well. You can see this is one landing page which we had created, and this is our form filling page, and this is thank you page. So 3 step of funnel which we are using in our in website ads. Let's suppose I am generating leads, I'm driving traffic via lead campaign or sales campaign, whatever it is. I'm generating leads using Facebook ad campaign and driving traffic to our landing page. And in the landing page, I keep one tracking pixel. Why it would be useful it is, right? Let's suppose we need to know how many people are actually landing this landing page and how many are filling this form. At the end, like thank you page, how many we get, at least like how many types of leads. So that's the thing, okay? That's why we keep in pixel. The star mark here itself, it is pixel, okay? So in landing page, we run ads of Facebook lead campaign and generated like 1,000 visitors or visited this landing page and click the call to action button, and this is our form. Somebody submitted this form, and at the end of the page we have keep our thank you page. In thank you page, most probably like people use thank you for your information, we really appreciate your time. If you want to chat us on your WhatsApp, you can give your WhatsApp or like private community link or like private Facebook group. So that is like actually this is the funnel which everybody is using as of now, okay? So 1,000 visitors are come through Facebook ads in landing page, only we got 100 leads. So rest of the 900 people we can retarget with another new campaign. Wait a minute, right? We can retarget these landing page visitors who had visited let's suppose 900 people click this call to action button and 100 leads we do what, right? We can only showing our ads to who had clicked this button, 900 people, with a new ad retargeting campaign, okay? And for these 100 leads, these are like you can say hot leads, and these are like 900 leads which I told you, right? Those are warm leads. For hot leads, I can manually call them, or like I send WhatsApp there, and I can send email, email 1 sequence, email 2 sequence, but no follow-ups, okay? This is how what I'm actually doing, okay? This is the thing, and maybe I have missed something, right? No, all right. Let me show one more thing. I want to show you the funnel as well, right? This is one of my client funnel, by the way, which is I have created this landing page using WordPress itself. So I told you, right? One landing page, video sales page, one call to action, and I have given a little bit brief about what is this course and all thing. And I have given some student testimonials itself because it will build credibility and trust. We do have social proofs, right? People will attract. Okay. Let's suppose in this landing page, when I click this button, form is like actually opening, which I have shown you here, right? This wall upon. Okay. When somebody submit this form and click submit now button, they will redirect to the thank you page. So this is the thank you page. I have given the community number of my clients. They were students in their private group after submitting that lead. Okay, so that's why we have given this landing page and thank you page. And one more thing I told you, right? What is the pixel, everything. Here you can see my pixel is triggering. Okay, so we can track how many people which button they have click and if they click this video or not. So that we can retarget with these people. Okay, this is the landing page and this is the thank you page which I am using. Not only me, this is the working landing page which everyone is using as of now. So that's how That's how, like, this is the basic thing. Not this is the basic thing. Uh, it is like, you can say, complete whole strategy. First time I'm revealing actually. So even you can like spend $1,000 for your course or like something like that. Nobody will tell you these type of strategies. I'm just revealing for my users, and I got the DM right. So that's the thing, brother. And thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. And do you have any queries regarding Facebook ads and everything? You can contact me every time. This is my number on my DM. Wherever you can find my video, right, you will get my number. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.